It's gifting season. So what does that mean? Gift sets. Now I'm going to show you what's inside the Meet the Icons gift set by Stila, but then I'm going to also show you some of the products and how they come individually. So let's begin. I'm Hailey Feldman. I'm not a beauty influencer. I'm not a makeup artist, stylist. So that's why I invest in high quality products. So if you don't know this brand yet, you will after this. These are Stila's best sellers, all in one box. Now, first two items I'm going to show you in the kit, they come in full sizes. And then the other two come in smaller travel sizes, which I love. How many gift sets have you gotten where it's like just a little bit, right? It's all travel size, which is not bad because that's like a cool for discovery. But I love that 2 of the 4 items in this box do come in full size. And the 2 items are their iconic mascara and this multitasking lip and cheek cream. So inside the box, and then if you get them individually, they look like this. See? Cool. In the Meet the Icons set, you have this amazing cream blush / lip multitasker. This is what's in the set, and it's the color Lillium. And then individually, you get Peony. And Peony is the one that I bought individually, both full size. So this is Lillium. And then you have Peony. Come on, Peony. Lillium, Peony. As you can see, I haven't used Lillium yet, but I've used a lot of Peony. So, shall we try Lillium? The thing is with Stila is that you really can't go wrong. The directions are you just take a little bit with your finger, and then you go. You see how nice it goes on? I don't have any makeup on right now. Apologies for that. Okay, so there's your cheek. Now you could take a blush brush and blend it out. And I have videos on this. And there you go. So 2 in 1. And here you could see the 2 different colors, Peony and Lillium. That was Lillium, and I'll show you Peony as well. Actually layered over each other, it looks really pretty too. So what I do, I put this on after I put my foundation and powder on. So less is more. Right? You could really see the pigmentation, but it's super lightweight and lovely. I can't recommend this more. 2 lovely products and bestsellers.